Before I was diagnosed, I had never thought much about how therapies are made or how important it is for people to participate in the process of ensuring that new treatments become available.
My doctor never mentioned clinical trials or invited me to consider participating in one. I just wanted to get better.
My hope is to live a long and healthy life, not one derailed because of illness.
I didn't know anyone with my specific condition and did a lot of research to learn more about the disease.
Being empowered, I want to feel in control of my health, my body, and my experience in healthcare. While searching online, I saw a reference to my diagnosis. The information seemed to describe people with my illness. After reading the information, I decided to make an appointment.
When I saw the same information about my illness at the pharmacy, I asked the pharmacist a few questions. She called a research team member over to inform me about the clinical trial that was being done here and other locations throughout the country. This conversation gave me hope because I was doing something to take control of my diagnosis instead of my disease taking over my life.
When I arrived at my local Walgreens, I had a lot of questions. I wasn't sure what I was getting involved in and if it would interfere with the care for my doctor. I needed to learn more before taking action.
Recognizing the research team member who I previously spoke to was comforting. It's like my care team is expanding. I appreciate that others understand my diagnosis.
Knowing more about the process of developing new therapeutic options feels like I can help others with the same illness while learning new ways to better manage my diagnosis.
It's also nice to know there are guardrails in place to protect patients and our personal health information.
Without my participation in a clinical trial, researchers would not learn as much about different needs of patients who have the same diagnosis. After all, we're not the same.
For some conditions, clinical trial participation gives a patient access to medical innovations not yet widely available.
Walgreens has always been convenient. This is where I have filled my prescriptions, received vaccines, and now I have access to advancements in science and medical innovation.
This is my Walgreens experience. This is hope for the future.